Hi, good evening to everyone. Yesterday we had discussed what is the file and what is the file handling. Okay, and few of the things we discussed yesterday, right? It is the method of the file. Okay, what is the method of the file and file directory and what is the file inside the subdirectory. Okay, what is the IO streams and again the IO streams that has to classified into by stream and character stream. Okay, by stream again converted into input stream class and output stream class and character stream again converted to reader class and writer class. These things we had discussed yesterday, but today we can discuss scanner class. What is the scanner? First of all, what is the scanner? Also we've written that program as well to read data and write data. These things we created as well. Okay. Today, what is the scanner class? The scanner class is mostly used to scan the input and read the input from primitive. It is a built-in class. Okay. Primitive data types like int, decimal, double, etc. It will take as an input. And scanner class basically return the tokenized input based on some delimiter pattern. Okay, it will take as a input as a tokenized input and it is based on the delimiter pattern. Okay, scanner class implements the iterator, closable, auto closable interfaces. Okay, it is a it is implemented from where it is iterator, closable interface, and auto closable interface as well. Okay, closable interface and auto closable interface as well. Okay. Did you got that point? Did you got that point? What I had discussed here? What is the scanner class? Basically, scanner class is a mostly used to scan the input. Okay, scan the input and read the input from primitive data types like it is int, decimal, double, these things. Okay, etc. Basically, scanner class return the tokenized input and based on the some delimiter pattern as well. It will return the value as well. Okay, and I want to write some example on that. I want to say that example on that. So open that this one. This is the class. So I want to create one scanner demo. Scanner demo. I'm creating here scanner demo. Okay, and main. Okay, here main, and I need to create one object scanner equal to new scanner. I'm created here, and here we need to take as input as a system dot in. Okay, system dot in. Okay, I'm created here, and also I want to say scanner dot in, and you need to print something like system. Sorry, system dot err. Okay, I'm something printing here. Okay, print enter any number, whatever it is. Okay, why it is coming? Enter any number. Okay, enter any number, and then I need to say uh, string str equal to scanners dot next Okay, and again print same here. Sorry, system dot err dot print, and here like str plus str. Okay, this is the I'm printing here string as well. Okay, so I want to check here again, create something integer int. Okay, int uh, I equal to integer I equal to scanner dot next. Okay, next int, not next int. Next same I want to say, I want to print here this one, paste here I as well. Okay, now let's check what it will do. Enter, it is showing enter any number, right? 7 7 8. Here first of all what I printed here printing enter any number here. Okay, that's why str is equal to something printed here str7. Okay, something printed here str7. And if you want to integer or any like that you can print as well. Okay, because I printed here a string, that's why let's check again. I want to run again. Yes, printed Lakshman and 2. Yes, I is 2. Like that you can print whatever it is. Okay, also you need to something like you need to print here whatever it is, copy, paste, and enter any double number, any double. Okay, and here double b equal to scanner dot next double. Where is that next double? Okay, and you need to print. What? You need to print double just here. Okay, D and D. Okay, and and I want to close the scanner. Not close. Okay, let run again. Instead of enter any print. Okay, I need to print like this again. Rerun. Enter any string, right? Lakshman, printed Lakshman, and 5, printed 5, and enter any double, again double, like 2.0, printed, right? Isn't it printed or not? Printed or not? Okay, printed. Yeah, yeah, that's all about that example of the scanner class. Hmm. That's all about the example of the scanner class. Again, I want to explain serialization and deserialization. Okay, serialization and deserialization. Okay, what is the serialization and deserialization? First of all, okay, serialization and deserialization is nothing but here. Serialization is the process of converting the object into the we can say serialization is the process of the converting an sequence of bytes bytes into and sequence of bytes, and it will traverse over the network, and it will store in the somewhere, okay, somewhere disk as well, okay, or database, okay, and it can send over a network, okay, that is called serialization. What is that serialization? Serialization is nothing but process of converting. Serialization is nothing but it is a process of converting the Java object and into the byte of strings, and it will store it will traverse over the network, and it will store in the DB or disk or whatever it is, okay, somewhere it will store. That is called serialization, okay, that is called serialization. What is the deserialization? Deserialization is nothing but it is the process of creating a object, the object back to the process of converting the byte of strings back to the object. Okay, that is called deserialization. Okay, deserialization. What is the serialization? Serialization is the process of converting the object into sequence of bytes. Okay, sequence of bytes, and which can be persisted into a disk or database. And deserialization is nothing but it is the reverse process of the creating object from sequence bytes. Okay, creating object from sequence of bytes is called deserialization. Okay, a class must be implemented whenever creating the serializable or deserializable related thing. That class must be implemented with serializable interface. Okay, present in java.io package. Java.io package that inside the serializable or deserializable interface related thing there. In order to serialize object successfully, okay, that serializable is a marker interface. It is a serializable is a marker interface that adds the serializable behavior to the class implementing. What is the marker interface? The marker interface is nothing but it is a empty interface. Okay, empty interface that is called marker interface, and it will provide the runtime runtime runtimely the JVM. It will give the instruction to the JVM. Okay, at runtime, special instruction. Okay, and Java serializable API encapsulated under the java.io package that serializable and deserializable object, which include what? This is java.io, like I need to java.io dot serializable, serializable. Okay, and java.io dot uh, serializable, externalizable, and object output stream and object input stream. Object input stream, object output stream. Okay. And what do you have heard about that? Do you have heard about that? What is that object input stream and what is the object output stream? First of all, the Java marker interface. You need to know the marker interface as well. Okay, marker interface. You need to know in depth. In depth, you need to know. What is that? Marker interface is a special interface that in the Java without any field or methods. Okay, it is a special interface. Marker interface is a special interface in Java without any methods, or fields. I can call empty interface called marker interface. Okay. Marker interface is used to inform the compiler that class implementing it some special behavioral meaning. For example, marker interface are like java.io serializable and java.io cloneable, remote and random access. These are the marker interfaces. Okay, example what? What is the example of that marker interface? Serializable, serializable. Sorry, serializable, clonable, loadable, and random access. Okay, random access and remote as well. These are the called marker interface. This interface, whatever I write here, whatever I written, these are the example of the marker interface. This marker interface don't have any methods or fields. Okay, it is a empty interface. Okay, all the interface does not have any methods and fields. They only add a special behavior to the classes implementing them. Okay, and to implementing serializable and deserializable, Java provides two classes. Okay, Java provides two classes. What? Serializable and deserializable thing. Java provides this one. Okay, Java provides this one. What is that? This is it will provide as a serializable, serializable, and it is provided as a deserializable. Okay, deserializable. Did you got understand? This has a output object. Object input stream has a class that is serializable. The serializable has a class that is object input stream, and deserializable has a class that is object output stream. Okay, object output stream. What is that object output stream? What is that? It is used to write the object to the file and object that implement java.io.serializable. Okay, interface can be written in the stream to provide the various to perform serializable. Okay, methods of object output stream is the write object. Sorry, it is I confused. I get confused. Okay, here I want to add here. Here. Here object output stream has a serializable. Okay, it is implementing. This has a method write object method. Okay, write object method. Write object object method. By using the write object method, it will write the somewhere and DB or disk whatever it is. And here a read object method. Okay, here read object method. Okay, read object method that has read the from the database or disk. Okay. Okay, did you got that? Did you got? Did you got? Here, here, serializable and deserializable. Okay, what is the serialization? Serialization is nothing but the Java object converted into the byte of streams and traverse over the network, and it will store in the DB. That is called serializable. Serializable, how we can achieve? Serializable has a object output stream class. That object output object outstream, object output not out, object output stream. It contains write object method. Write object method, it can write the it can write inside the DB or a disk. Okay, it can write the in the DB or disk by using the write object method. But what is the serializable? Serializable opposite of the deserializable is the opposite of the serializable. What is that? That object, a byte of string can convert into the Java object. Okay, by using the object input stream method. Sorry, class. Object input stream class that has a object write object. Write object can write the uh, read object. By using the read object, it can read the actual objects into the DB or disk. Okay. Uh, yeah, it is the write object is a serializable object that write it to the object of stream as well. Okay, and like I need to know that public final void write object and throw IO exception implement like that. Okay, and close the current stream as well by using the public void close throw IO exception, and flush the current output stream like by using the public void flux method. Okay, and throws IO exception like that, and object output stream as same, object output stream as same, object input stream and object output stream same. Okay. Mm, yeah, something I want to know, we have the class or not, like employee class like that. Employee class, user, with no user class. So because I want to know, I want to write something like employee class implement the serializable like that. I need to know. So that's the reason. That's the reason. That's the reason I want to create the one example of that. Okay. Here, employee class I am created. It implements what implement serializable. Yes, is it not? Automatically imported the statement java.io. That's serializable interface. Okay. This serializable interface contain the inside this package only. Okay. Is inside this package only. So that's the reason. String name I need to write, not capital letter, string name and integer int id whatever it is. Okay. Int id. I'm printed here. So I want to create that constructor as well. Constructor as well. Instead of creating constructor, just go here, generate constructor. Yes, created constructors. So again I want to create one more class, that is serializable serializable demo. I'm created. So here I want to create one main method. Okay. So inside the try class block, again what happened? Yes. Inside the try employee emp, just you need to employee equal to new employee. New employee I'm creating here, Lakshman and 1101. Okay. Yeah, and file you need to purchase them somewhere. That's the name file output stream. So serializable, right? So that's the reason file output stream. You need to output stream. Okay. File output stream, file output stream equal to new file output stream. New file output stream. Okay. And here's something like Java dash txt. Okay. Txt. Oh, sorry, I need to send somewhere like this. Java.txt. Okay. Yes. And here file output stream I have written and object output stream. Object output stream. Object output stream equal to new object output stream. Okay. And here file. You need to send here file. Okay. And then output stream dot what? Write object. You have write object, right? Not like that. Object output stream is this. Write object, why it is not detecting write object. Inside the write object, you need to imply your passing. Okay. Why I don't know. Yeah, catch block is there, right? That's the reason it is getting just I want to catch them. Okay. Here, what type of exception here? Whatever, just I am exception e equal to e dot print express. Okay, like that. So, so here, uh, whatever it is, object output stream is there, right? Mm-hmm. Object output stream dot what you are doing like flash. You are doing the flash. Why it is not detecting flash? Why not detecting? I don't know. Hmm? Something like this. Okay. And here close object output stream dot close. I'm closing here and printing this out and serializable successful like that. I need to print successful. Okay? But still, why it is not getting? Not getting file output stream, right? Passing this is copy and paste here. Why it is not going? A required input stream. File output stream, new file output stream. Okay. I want to check this one. Just the Java one. It's same, huh? Why not getting like this? I don't know. Somewhere it is no candidate for the method card. Right object method. Yes. Object input stream. First one. Object output stream. Sorry. Oh, object not input stream, man. Object output stream. That's the reason. That is the reason getting like this. Okay. Undo. Okay. Object output just instead of in out output stream. Copy here. Paste here. Okay. You have to import them. Yeah. Pass here. Copy. Okay. Yes. Now fine. Now fine. Yeah. I think instead of output, what I did is the input I did. That's the reason I am getting the error. Let me check. Yeah, serializable successful or not. Serializable is successful. I want to check there inside the DB, the Java full stop guru, Java classes, Java. Let's check. This is the bytecode. That is the reason. That is the reason. That is the reason we can't showing anything here. Okay. Already it is serializable. It is done by serializable as well. Okay. And yeah, it is fine, right? And this deserializable also same. Deserializable also same. Deserializable also same, but I want to take here. Yeah, let me check one more class I want to create. Deserializable demo like that. Okay. Demo. No, I'm created or not. Inside that, you need to create one main method. Okay. And try block you can create. Inside the try block, just file input stream, file input stream, input stream equal to new file input stream. You are passing Java1.txt. Okay, your password. And here object input stream. Okay, object input stream equal to new object input stream. Okay, and here file input or passing like that. Okay, and then whatever you created the employee class, you can create like this: employee emp employee 1 equal to employee 1 equal to what can say, yeah, I was printing so in dot read object, okay, in dot not in dot read object, read read object. What is that? Not getting this. That you need to print here employee, okay, and then in dot not like that, just in dot read object. You created here, okay, okay, yes, is that I don't know why it is coming, yeah, and then you need to close the file as well, okay, in dot close. And here copy paste, okay, pasted or not, and here dot close, close that, okay, yes, and then sys out deserializable successfully. This is the this what is that? This is the string right. Again, yeah. What do we do here? Sys out again, sys out, and name, just name, hmm? Name plus emp employee one dot name, okay, and go sys out id id emp and dot id, okay, and you need to catch them as well, catch uh, yeah, exception is a superclass of all exception, right? E e dot print factors, okay. This is the actual what I did, okay. Let me check. I'm running. Yes, printed or not. Deserializable successfully done or not. Okay. Before whatever I serialized them, here deserializing successfully. Okay. I want to check here. I want to check serializable object, right? Instead of the serializable object, here passing the 1 or 2 instead of 1 or 2, 1,000, okay, instead of 1,000 and running there. Not this one, not this one, this one, right? This one. serializable successfully. Okay, serializable successfully done. And I want to deserializable them as well. Again, let's check here. Printed or not? Printed or not? That's about it. It is the whatever it is I printed there. I will get back to those related thing. Okay. Yeah, that's today all about. Okay, tomorrow we will discuss the transition keyword. Okay, related thing we can discuss tomorrow onwards. And today I am signing off. Before that, if you like my content, please like my video and subscribe my channel and press on the bell icon. Don't forget to press on the bell icon. When I updated the video on the YouTube channel, you will get that notification. Okay. Today I'm signing off. Thank you. Bye.